Oh yes, hello my people, ndabakunda cyane inshuti za Sports Star TV, wowe wamaze gukanda subscribe ndagushimiye by'umwihariko, gusa nawe utarayikanda amahirwe nayanga ukanda subscribe, ntiwagirwe like, share ndetse na comment kugira ngo tujye tubana buri munsi buri minota uko amakuru aje tuyabagezaho mu bambere. Kanda subscribe rero tujye tubana buri munsi ujibona notification buri uko amakuru ahageze, kandi munyemerere nsuhuze inshuti zacu za Sports Star TV aho muherereye hose, haba mu majyepfo, amajyaruguru, uburasirazuba ndetse n'uburengerazuba bwacu bw'igihugu cyacu cy'u Rwanda, ndetse n'abandi bari hanze y'u Rwanda ariko bakaba bumva ikinyarwanda, by'umwihariko abatuye muri Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika, kuko ni bamwe mu batwereka ko badukunda kandi badukurikira cyane, by'umwihariko n'abaturanyi b'i Burundi ndetse no muri TZ cyangwa se Tanzania nabo baradukurikira kandi batugaragariza urukundo buri munsi. Munyemerero duhere kuri inkuru ya Fabrizio Romano ivuga ko Chelsea iri gutanga agera kuri miliyoni 55 z'amayero kuri uyu musore Estevao. Bavuga ati Chelsea's new bid for Estevao will be in excess of around 55 million euro release clause. Ikipe ya Napoli iravuga ko vuba aha iri butangaze perezida cyangwa se directeur sportif mushya ndetse n'imishinga ifite y'umwaka utaha, bakaba bavuga ko bazabitangaza mu mpera z'uku kwezi kwa gatanu. Ibyo byatangajwe na perezida wa Napoli De Laurentiis, mu magambo yavuga ati Napoli President De Laurentiis, by the end of May, we will announce our plan for next season, our projects, and also new sports director. We can confirm there will be new director in charge, and it will be Giovanni Emana joining from Juventus. Aravuga ko kandi bamaze kumwemeza n'uwo bita Giovanni Emana wa joininze ikipe ya Napoli, cyangwa se uzaba utangazwa ku mugaragaro avuye mu ikipe ya Juventus Doture, n'undi iyo mu Butaliyane n'uzaba ushinzwe imikino cyangwa se directeur sportif mu ikipe ya Napoli muri sezo itaha 2024-2025. Dusimbukire mu ikipe ya Manchester United, umukire ari gutangaza buri munsi. Manchester United plan already clear since March, club prepared to bring in new left back in the summer transfer window. Baratangaza ko muri iyi summer cyangwa se muri iri gurira n'igurisha rigiye gutangira ejo bundi muri uku kwezi kwa gatandatu ku itariki 14, Manchester United izaba iri ku isoko rya nimero 3 cyangwa se umukinnyi wa myugariro uca ku ruhande rw'ibumoso, dore ko abo bari baguze bagiye bahura n'ibibazo by'imvune, harimo Tyrell Malacia ndetse na Luke Shaw bagiye bibasirwa n'imvune muri uyu mwaka. Kandi ikipe ya Manchester United igomba gukora cyangwa se kugura nimero 3 wanyawe uzahoraho cyangwa se uzaza guhangana n'aba bahari. Tunyarukiye n'undi tukiri muri Manchester United kuri Luke Shaw, biravugwa ko sezo yiwe ishobora kuba yarangiye, amahirwe asigaranye nayo kuba wenda yazagaragara kuri finali ya FA Cup bafite kuri tariki 29 z'uku kwezi basoza sezo yabo. Avuga ati Erik ten Hag ati Luke Shaw's season could be over, as Erik ten Hag says he only has a very small chance to make it for the FA Cup final after he had a set back. Biravuga ko amahirwe ari yo gukina finali ya FA Cup kuko ari kugenda agaruka amera neza, kandi Erik ten Hag ari kuvuga ko hari Maguire ndetse na Rafael Varane na Victor Nelson Lindelof bagarutse mu myitozo. mu ikipe ya Real Madrid baravuga ati Real Madrid keep working and advancing on Lucas Vazquez's new contract waiting to clarify Modric and Kroos future. Baravuga ati ikipe ya Real Madrid iri kureba uburyo yakongerera amasezerano myugariro wayo uca ku ruhande rw'iburyo bamwita Lucas Vazquez, kandi bategereje kutangaza icyemezo cyase ahazaza ha Luka Modric ndetse na Toni Kroos vuba cyane baraba babishyizeho umucyo. Ikipe ya Girona nayo irimo amakuru menshi. Girona have sent new formal proposal to sign Uruguayan Jaime Luciano Rodriguez as expected. New proposal from City Group is of $15 million for 70% of the players right from Liverpool de Montevideo up the club now. Baravuga ko uyu munyayirigwe Luciano Rodriguez byitezwe ko agomba gusinyira ino ekipe ya Girona, dore ko azaba avuye mu ikipe ya Liverpool de Montevideo cyase Liverpool yo mu gihugu cya Uruguay. Juventus contract proposal to Thiago Motta to become their new head coach for next season is a 3-year deal valid until June 2027. Thiago Motta did an excellent job as Bologna manager qualifying to UEFA Champions League, and he will inform the club about his final decision soon. Biravuga ko ikipe ya Juventus yamaze gutereka hagaragara amasezerano y'imyaka 3 igomba guhereza umutoza watozaga ekipe ya Bologna, ubona undi bamwita Thiago Motta, aho yafashije ino ekipe ya Bologna kuyishyira mu irushanwa rya UEFA Champions League, kandi yamaza kuba abwira ikipe ya Bologna ko ahazaza he azahatangaza ku munsi wa nyuma. Mu ikipe ya Manchester City, Ederson will miss final 2 games of the season for Manchester City due to a small fracture of his eye socket. Stefan Ortega will be Man City goalkeeper. Baravuga ko muzamu cyase Gardien Ederson Moraes w'umunyabrazil atazagaragara ku mikino 2 isigaye ino ekipe ya Manchester City isigaje muri no sezo kubera ikibazo cy'imvune cyase kwangirika ko kujisho ryiwe yagize mu mukino bakinaga n'ikipe ya Tottenham Hotspur. Iyo mikino 2 rero ni mikino Manchester City muri weekend izakina n'ikipe ya West Ham United, aho bazaba ari kuri Etihad Stadium. Undi mukino ni finali ya FA Cup bazakina n'ikipe ya Manchester United. Juventus and Massimiliano Allegri will part ways as he won't be a manager next season as planned since February. The only detail to clarify is whether Juventus decided to sack Allegri now or in 10 days. Juventus priority candidates as a new head coach remains Thiago Motta. Nundi tukiri kuri iya nkuru ya Thiago Motta, baravuga ko ikipe ya Juventus n'umutoza Massimiliano Allegri bamaze kwemeranya gutandukana next season cyase zitaha ntabwo azaba umutoza, kuko Juve yatangiye kuganiriza Thiago Motta nkuko twari twabigarutseho mu kanya kashize. Munyemerere tujye mu gihugu cy'Ubudage, aho umutoza ikipe y'igihugu Mannschaft, ikipe y'igihugu y'Abadage naho ndi ni Julian Nagelsmann yatangaje byinshi. Nawe yagize ati I had long talk with both Hummels and Goretzka. They are very disappointed as they are out of the list. I tried to explain why they weren't included. It's understandable that they are sad. Avuga ati byari twaganiriye cyane birebire hagati yanjye ndetse na Matthew Hummels na Leon Goretzka wa Bayern Munich. Matthew Hummels ni wa Borussia Dortmund. They are very disappointed as they are out of the list, kubera ko bababajwe no kuba batari kuri liste y'abazakina imikino ya nyuma ya Euro. I tried to explain why they weren't included. Nabasobanuriye impamvu batahamagawe kandi byumvikanye, kandi nta gahinda bagomba kugira kuko namaze kubibasobanurira. Umunyamakuru Fabrizio Romano yakomeje avuga ati officially German preliminary squad for Euro 2024 has been confirmed by Julian Nagelsmann. Ati urutonde cyangwa se swadi y'abazakina Elo yahamagawe na Julian Nagelsmann yamaze kujya hanze. Ati harimo Mati Hummels, Leon Goretzka, Julian Brandt, Karim Adeyemi, Niklas Sule, kongeraho Timo Werner na Serge Gnabry. Tumanutse ku rutonde Julian Nagelsmann yahamagaye nuko abanyezamu ari Olivier Baumann, Manuel Neuer, Alexander Nubel, Marc-Andre ter Stegen. Mu gihe ba myugariro ari Walide Anton, Benjamin Henrique, Joshua Kimmich, Robin Koch, Maximiliano Matestad, David Leum, Antonio Rudiger, Nico Schlotterbeck na Jonathan Tah. Bakina hagati mu kibuga ni Robert Andrich, Chris Führich, Pascal Gross, Ilkay Gundogan, Toni Kroos, Jamal Musiala, Alexander Pavlovich, Leroy Sani na Florian Wirtz. Mu gihe ba rutahizamu ari Maximiliano Beiba, Niklas Füllkrug, Kai Havertz, Thomas Müller na Denis Undav. Ngabo nibo bakinnyi umutoza Julian Nagelsmann yahisemo kuzakoresha mu mikino ya Euro 2024. Dusimbukiye mu gihugu cya Espagne. Jesus Navas will not retire. He is ready for new chapter as free agent at 38 years. Biravuga ko umukinnyi Jesus Navas atiteguye kuba yahagarika ibyo gukina ruhago, ahubwo ko agifite imbaraga zo gukina, akaba yifuza kujoininga indi kipe ku myaka 38 kuko amasezerano yararangiye mu ikipe ya Sevilla. Navas was not offered a new contract by Sevilla despite being a legend of the club. Umukinnyi rero Jesus Navas ntabwo yigeze ahabwa andi masezerano mashyashya n'ikipe ya Sevilla, ahubwo agomba gutandukana nubwo ari legend cyangwa se ari umunyabigwi w'ino ekipe kuva mu 2000 kujya mu 2013 ndetse no kuva 2017 kugeza uyu mwaka wa 2024 as Sevilla player. Yari umukinnyi w'ikipe ya Sevilla. Dusubire mu gihugu cy'Ubudage mu ikipe ya Bayern Munich. Discussion between Tuchel's agent and Bayern remain ongoing after meeting at club's headquarters. Biri kuvuga ko ibiganiro hagati y'abahagarariye Thomas Tuchel ndetse n'ubuyobozi bwa Bayern Munich, ibiganiro bigikomeje nyuma y'umuhuro cyangwa se y'inama yabereye ku cyicaro cy'ikipe ya Bayern Munich. The crucial points for Tuchel to stay are total approval from supervisory board and contract extension. Icyifuzwa ku ruhande rwa Thomas Tuchel ni ukuba yaguma ari umutoza ndetse akaza kongerwa amasezerano nk'uko byagenzuwe n'ubuyobozi bwa Bayern Munich. Thomas Tuchel wants to feel full confidence in order to accept stay. Arifuza ko yagirirwa icyizere kugira ngo yemere nawe ahagume mu ikipe ya Bayern Munich. Mu ikipe ya Manchester United, Erik ten Hag yavuze ati absolutely Manchester United wants to keep Bruno, no question about that. Yavuze ati twishimiye kuba twagumana umukinnyi wacu Bruno Fernandes, nta kibazo kirimo kuri ibi ngibi. Ati as far as I know he loves to play for Manchester United, so it's all good. Ati kugeza aka kanya akunda gukina cyangwa se yikundira nawe akunda kuba ari mu ikipe ya Manchester United, kandi aka kanya ameze neza mu ikipe ya Manchester United. Muri Juventus, Federico Chiesa on contract due to expire in June 2025. Umukinnyi Federico Chiesa wa Juventus yavuze ku cyangwa se kurangira ry'amasezerano ye azarangira mu kwa gatandatu ku mwaka utaha 2025. Yagize ati I want to stay here, I want to bring this top club back where it deserves to be. Ati ndashaka kugumando, ndashaka gushyira ino ekipe ya Juventus ku gasongero aho yahoze kuko niho ibyo ikwiye, niho ikwiye kuba yicaye, niho ikwiye kuba iri mu makipe ari imbere. I discussed a new contract with the director Giuntori, but we will talk again at the end of the season. Ati twabiganiro by'amasezerano mashya na director sportif wa Juve wanaundi ni Giuntori, ariko tuzongera tubivugeho iyi sezo nigera ku musozo cyase yarangiye. Muruka ko ikipe ya Juventus yarayitwaye igikombe cy'igihugu cyo bita Coppa Italia, itsinze ikipe ya Atalanta do Bergamo igitego kimwe ku busa cya rutahizamu Vlahovic. mu ikipe ya Manchester United kandi Sofiane Amrabat among the best players on the pitch for Manchester United yesterday, numwe mu bakinnyi baranze umukino w'ejo batsindaga ikipe ya Newcastle ibitego 3-2, but trust me this is still not Sofiane on the top. Gusa mu byizere uyu ntago ari Sofiane wahoze kuri top. It's my second 90 minutes in 4-5 months. Ati ni minota yanjye 90 mu mezi 5 ashize. I have been patient, narihanganye. I was always ready for the team when they need me 1 minute or 10 minutes. Ati narihanganye kandi nari mari kubw'ikipe yaba iminota umwe cyangwa se iminota 10 ikipe yabaga inkeneye nabaga mbari. Mu ikipe ya Chelsea, Mauricio Pochettino nyuma yo gutsinda ikipe ya Brighton ibitego 2-1 yatangaje nawe byinshi. We talk about patience and when you need to build something you need time, but it always looks like an excuse at a big club. Ati twaravuganye kandi twarihanganye igihe ikipe ikeneye kubaka ubukeneye igihe, gusa nk'ikipe nkuru ntago bifatwa nka excuse cyangwa se kwihanganisha abakunzi bayo kandi bashaka intsinzi buri gihe. We kept working and being positive to finish in a good way for the club. Twakomeje gukora cyane kandi twagize umusaruro mwiza mu mpera z'iyi season. Kandi tukiri mu ikipe ya Chelsea, Cole Palmer nawe yagize cyavuga ku mutoza Mauricio Pochettino. Yagize ati all credit to the manager, all the players love the manager and want to fight for him. Ati turabikesha ibyo tugezeho byose umutoza wacu Mauricio Pochettino, kandi abakinnyi bacu bose baramukunda kandi barashaka kumurwanira cyase bari kumukorera kugira ngo ikipe ikomeze yitware neza kandi nawe azahagume ari umutoza wacu nka Chelsea. Munyemerero dusoreze kuri Josko Gvardiol exclusive. Josko Gvardiol's agent Marian Cicic is really delighted to be at Manchester City. He strongly want to join City last summer. Uyu uhagarariye Josko Gvardiol bamwita Marian Cicic avuga ati nukuri twishimiye kuba mu mujyi wa Manchester cyase mu ikipe ya Manchester City kuko yarabikunze cyane cyangwa se yarabikeneye cyane kujoininga ikipe ya Manchester City muri summer ishize cyase mu igura n'igurisha rishize. Josko niyo Manchester City FC project was the best option possible and